What is the name of Minnie Mouse's cat? Figaro is probably best known as the pet cat of Mr. Geppetto and Pinocchio. Figaro was Walt Disney's favorite character in Pinocchio. He loved the kitten so much, he wanted him to appear as much as possible. Once production on Pinocchio was done, Walt made him the pet of Minnie Mouse, replacing Fifi.